we feel something inside that makes us uneasy, wanting to find out and discover. How would it really be that place we always dreamed of? The temporary future we imagine at home loses its value outside in the reality. The adventure makes us live real moments with the world as it is, not as we dreamed it. We're looking for the whitest of white, the purest snow we could ever touch. But nature and experience have something different to offer us, and that is nothing turns out as you have planned. So here begins our adventure. Here begins the uncertainty of the traveler.
Quant diu el taxímetre?
Ah, perquè no és un GPS, això?
Our goal was to travel to Nepal, to face the mythical Himalayan mountains. Once there, get into the Langtang valley to try, and I'm saying try, skiing some of the summits waiting for the first descent. And also to discover, mountain biking, some of the paths on the subtropical jungles of this country.
Bueno, acabem de sortir, són les 9 i...
Les 9 i 10, perquè no arrenquen ni a patada.
Ni a patada.
Però no estirant, que nosaltres de seguida ens atrapem. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Okay, my friend.
Okay,
See you
at the ready?
Yeah. Ens acabem de trobar amb molts monos. No sé quants, i crec que s'estan regalant de nosaltres i ens estan tirant coses. Se regalen.
Like in all underdeveloped areas of the world, the children are the most affected. With no schools in the valley, most of them will be running in the streets without thinking about the hard future that destiny has in store for them. Before they reach the age of 10, many of them will start working, if there's something to work at. There's maybe a herd, maybe a guest house, or maybe nothing at all. Only the fortunate ones will go to school, probably thanks to the charity of a foreign family.
Això sí pica.
Acabem d'arribar a ENG, o com collons es digui això, l'últim poble de la vall del Langtang. Que fem aigua i cap a esquiar, que ens en morim de ganes. Joder, superlight. Mira, Pep, la pendent superlight d'en Jordi.
Xavi, ens hem deixat el trineu. Aquí patinaria, hòstia.
A sobre, prometo no l'arrapar més. Tan font de jo esquio un gel, era brutal, és a dir, estava allà sota, no els veia, i de tant en tant, pumba!
Sí, t'has d'imaginar que portes uns esquís als peus.
I no hi són, estan uns quants metres més avall que tu.
S'ha vingut a fer submarinisme aquí al Nepal.
After some pleasant days skiing, temperature begins to drop and the light slowly fades away. This is the prelude of what's to come. You realize something huge is approaching when you see the yaks coming down from the mountains, fleeing from the cold. The whole valley shrinks. It is the calm before the big storm.
Me l'envia molt genèric el Gavi. Senzillament m'està dient que el Jordi, que ens coneixem. No li he demanat una previsió, li he demanat l'alerta només.
Sí.
Que m'avisi a nivell d'alerta.
Doncs estem jugant una mica amb el telèfon satèl·lit, enviant o intentant enviar el post del dia per les xarxes socials perquè estiguin tranquils i que sàpiguen que estem bé i que ens estem passant bé.
Aquest cim d'aquí davant és superguapo. I ens veieu esquiar tot el rato, no sabeu?
Molt.
Què, Lluís, com ho veus, això?
De moment no veig res.
Blanc.
Molt blanc.
Xavi, ara sí que faràs submarinisme,
Exagerat,
Hem de fer una cosa tan senzilla com és anar a buscar aigua. Es fa complicat amb aquest temps i aquesta neu, però és totalment necessària per nosaltres i la gent del poble. Així que anem a buscar aigua.
A huge front from the Indian Ocean has left one of the biggest snowfalls the valley can remember. Avalanches become the soundtrack that resounds throughout Langtang. It is ironic that something we were looking forward to so much finally becomes the main obstacle for us. Now, it's time to learn how to live together with that risk and see how far the mountain will let us go.
Si està bé, Lluís?
Sí, mira. T'explico què vaig a fer. Tu coneixes història de Mosiès, no?
Sí,
Que va separar les aigües?
sí.
Vaig a provar aviam si funciona.
Fes-ho per mi, please, que ho necessito. A banyar! Que fa 2 setmanes que no et banyes!
Deixa'm a lloc. He modificat les botes.
Quines botes? Que no vas bé així.
Sí. Estan vermells.
Deixa'm lloc, va.
Mal, la puta mare que els va parir. No porto dolor a l'aigua freda.
S'han separat o no les aigües?
No. Què? Com ho portes?
Fins als collons de sentir el boom de les plaques patant-me sota els peus.
Estic cansadet. Què, fins aquí?
Sí, ara ja baixem. L'únic que pujarem una mica més i ja baixarem.
Bé.
En Jordi està allà dalt ja.
Perdona, no podia.
There is no better way to say goodbye to our hosts than sharing with them the Tibetan New Year celebration. Happy Losar 2142.
And the dancing, singing very good. The Jordi very good, happy. All people happy.
You are very happy. What's saying the song?
Song?
What's the mean? What's mean the song?
Mình là cầm đôi thêm bố, lên đi đặt đôi thêm bố, bằng đôi thêm bố.
My English.
Estem baixant a la vall del Langtang, per fi deixem la neu enrere i tornarem a entrar a la selva.
The Himalayan mountain is an expert on surprise. It hugs and captivates you with its valleys, its glaciers. It reaches out to you with its rivers. But we realized we were not there for all of this. We were there to be captured by the smile of Nepal. 2 months later, Jordi comes back from Nepal after helping in the Langtang Valley. He tells us with a broken voice that what we once knew, it doesn't exist anymore. It's hard to believe. When we see the images, we realize about the magnitude of the catastrophe. The main village of the valley, Langtang, has been entirely wiped out by a monstrous ice and rock avalanche coming from 7,000 meters high. Now we know we are the last ones that enjoyed this little paradise. It only remains to dream about the day the people that survived will raise their home again from rubble, and the day this valley will smile anew and full of tourists, trekkers, nature lovers to enjoy, as we just did, skiing, mountain biking or running, but especially to enjoy the incredible people of Nepal. Namaste.